Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we will going to have word problems involving sets. So let's start. So let's have here a problem. So 140 students were surveyed. The Venn diagram shows the number of students who enjoy singing and or dancing. How many students enjoy? There are four questions that we need to answer, such as dancing but not singing, singing or dancing, singing and dancing, or neither singing or dancing. By the way, I got this problem from a book um, of my professor during college, Dr. Gladys Nivero, The Patterns in Practicality. So here's the Venn diagram. So this circle represent the number of students um, that was surveyed and likes singing, which there's 43 and 55. And then dancing, this circle represents this dancing with there's a number which is 55 and 32. So let's answer it one by one. In this part of the problem, we want to look at now dancing but not singing. So let's have now our Venn diagram. So I shaded now the answer. We want to get now dancing but not singing. So we remove, or we could say this is the people that likes only dancing or dancing only. So the answer is 32. So let's have now the second thing that we need to find the answer, which is singing or dancing. When there is a conjunction or, it could be represented by this one. So we want to get now both that they like singing or dancing. So you will have the answer of 43, 55, and 32. So you need to add it up, or we can have the union. So when you have the conjunction or, we combine all the elements from the two sets. So 43 plus 55 plus 32. So the answer would be 130. Another is singing and dancing. Now, when we talk about singing and dancing, we talk about now intersection when we have now the conjunction and. So we just would like to get now both that like singing and dancing. So the answer is 55. Right now, on this part, we would like to get now neither singing or dancing. In short, they don't like any of those two things that we being surveyed with 140 students that we have surveyed. So, when looking now in the Venn diagram, it is now the complement of singing and dancing. So, we would like to look at now the universal set. However, sir, there's no number. However, we need to add this up, 43, 55, and 32. So we got there 130. However, we deduct that from the total number of the respondents. So 140 minus 130, and that is 10. So therefore, the students that neither like singing or dancing is 10. Let's have another problem. So if the cardinality of set P is 46 and the cardinality of set Q is 24, and P intersection of Q is null, what is the cardinality of P union Q? Now, looking now on the illustration using now this problem, it says that there is 46 elements inside set P, and there is 24 elements inside set Q. However, what the technique there is that when you look at this one, the intersection of this one, P and Q, is null. So there are no common elements between the two. So therefore, when you want to find now the cardinality, when you get the union of these two, you just add up their cardinality. So 46 plus 24, the answer is 70. Another problem here is that if the cardinality of R is equal to 43 and the cardinality of S is 74, and R is a subset of S, then what is the cardinality of R intersection of S? Now, it's better to look at it in this manner that we do have a Venn diagram. So let's have the Venn diagram here. So S is the bigger circle and R is a smaller circle because we look at it that R is a subset of S, so therefore it's inside. So all the elements of R are also the elements of S. So as you can see now, you were asked now the intersection of R and S. As you can see, the intersection of R and S are all the elements of R. Now, how many elements does the set R have? So the answer is 43. And by the way, I got the two problems, problem 2 and problem 3, to the new syllabus, mathematics book of Dr. Yep Banhar, who is my professor as well. Okay, I think that's good. So I hope you learned something about word problems involving sets. And by the way, this is Bebs Ever, and I hope you learned something. Thank you very much.